Today, July 26, 2025, the world is watching South Texas with bated breath. Excitement and curiosity fill the air as people from all walks of life gather, united by a shared sense of wonder and anticipation. SpaceX is preparing for the 10th test flight of Starship, the most powerful rocket ever built, a machine that represents the cutting edge of human engineering and ambition. This isn't just another launch, it's a pivotal test in the ongoing quest for affordable, routine spaceflight. Every detail, every system, and every second counts as the team pushes the boundaries of what's possible. Starship's ultimate goal is full reusability, aiming to make space travel as practical and commonplace as flying an airplane. Imagine a future where rockets can be turned around and launched again within days, not months. Each flight brings us closer to a world where launching satellites, cargo, and even people becomes dramatically cheaper and more accessible, opening up new possibilities for science, business, and exploration. Flight 10 is especially significant because it builds on lessons learned from previous missions, incorporating critical upgrades and refined procedures. Every improvement brings us a step closer to reliable, routine access to space. Around the globe, people are eager to see if this flight can achieve new milestones and prove the system's reliability. The outcome could shape the future of space travel for decades to come. Starship inspires millions, symbolizing human curiosity and our relentless drive to explore the unknown. For many, it's a beacon of hope and a reminder that the impossible can become reality. As we count down to the early August launch, we're not just awaiting a rocket, we're witnessing the next chapter in humanity's journey to the stars. The sense of possibility is palpable and the world holds its breath for what comes next. The anticipation is electric, the stakes higher than ever. With every test we move closer to a future where space is within reach for all. To truly appreciate the significance of Flight 10, let's take a moment to revisit the incredible journey that has brought us here. Each launch, each test, and every challenge faced along the way has shaped the Starship program into what it is today. Starship's recent flights have been a masterclass in rapid learning, each mission a mix of triumphs and setbacks. The teams at SpaceX have worked tirelessly, analyzing every detail, and using each experience to push the boundaries of what's possible in rocketry. Flight 9 in May marked a major milestone by reusing a super heavy booster, a huge leap for reusability in spaceflight. Although both stages were ultimately lost, the mission yielded a treasure trove of vital data informing future designs and procedures. In March, Flight 8's booster was caught by the Mechazilla arms, a stunning engineering feat that demonstrated SpaceX's bold approach to rocket recovery. Even though the upper stage was lost, the attempt showcased the potential of this innovative system. Earlier, Flight 7's booster was also successfully caught, but the upper stage broke apart mid-air due to unexpected vibrations and fires. Each of these moments, both the successes and the failures, have been crucial learning opportunities. Every setback led to immediate fixes. Nitrogen purges, extra vents, and propellant adjustments were implemented to prevent future failures. The engineering teams responded with agility, making real-time changes that improved the safety and reliability of each subsequent flight. SpaceX's philosophy is clear: build, fly, learn, and improve. This relentless drive to innovate is at the heart of every mission, fueling a culture where every challenge is met with determination and creativity. Rapid iteration and relentless problem-solving have made every flight safer and more capable. The evolution of Starship prototypes is a testament to the power of learning from experience and never settling for the status quo. These hard-won lessons are the foundation for Flight 10's ambitious goals. Each improvement, no matter how small, brings us closer to a future where space travel is routine and accessible. Every test, whether it ends in success or failure, pushes the program forward. The courage to try, fail, and try again is what sets SpaceX apart. The path to progress is paved with both spectacular achievements and valuable mistakes. With each flight, SpaceX moves closer to making history, and Flight 10 is the next bold step on that journey. Now, all eyes are on Ship 38 and Booster 14, the stars of Flight 10. After issues with Ship 36, the team doubled down on testing and upgrades. Ship 38 undergoes cryogenic proof tests and static fires to ensure it can withstand the rigors of space. The new V3 upgrades, stronger engines, better heat shields, and streamlined manufacturing, are being validated for reliability and rapid reuse. Every component is scrutinized, every system tested to ensure confidence in this next flight. Flight 10 isn't just about flying higher, it's about proving the new Starship is ready for the future. Behind every launch is a complex ground system, and at Starbase, Pad A is being readied for Flight 10. The Mechazilla tower must flawlessly stack, fuel, and even catch the booster, a ballet of engineering precision. Upgrades to the lifting systems and the quick disconnect fueling panel are underway to prevent costly delays. The water deluge system, crucial for protecting the pad from Starship's immense power, is being reinforced for rapid, repeated launches. Every detail matters. A single flaw could halt the countdown. The early August launch date depends on these systems working in perfect harmony. The unsung heroes of ground infrastructure make every Starship flight possible. Adding to the excitement, Elon Musk will deliver a technical update just before launch, a must-watch for space fans. Expect deep dives into engineering changes, fixes since the last flight, and the ambitious V3 upgrades. Musk's transparency, using graphics and clear explanations, keeps the public engaged in SpaceX's journey. The update will also spotlight NASA's Artemis 3 mission, which will use Starship to return astronauts to the Moon. And of course, Musk will outline the roadmap for cargo and crewed missions to the Red Planet. The goal, full Starship reusability by 2025, rapid turnaround by 2026, remains bold. Each test flight is a step toward making humanity a multi-planetary species. As Flight 10 approaches, remember, in rocketry, safety trumps speed. The launch date is flexible, hinging on rigorous tests of both rocket and ground systems. If issues arise, SpaceX will delay, proof of a mature, safety-first culture. The FAA's oversight ensures every flight meets strict safety and environmental standards. Delays aren't failures, they're signs of diligence and commitment to reliability. The ultimate goal isn't just to launch, but to build a reusable, dependable space transportation system. Every cautious step brings us closer to opening space for everyone. SpaceX isn't alone in shaping the future of space. Two giants are redefining what's possible beyond our planet. Blue Origin, led by Jeff Bezos, is charting its own course, driven by a vision of millions living and working in space. While SpaceX pushes rapid iteration with Starship, aiming for reusable rockets and interplanetary travel, Blue Origin takes a methodical approach with projects like Blue Ring, focusing on reliability and long-term infrastructure. Their new partnership with Scout Space will deploy the AI-powered OWL sensor, enhancing space traffic awareness and safety for all future missions. Blue Ring's flexible platform contrasts with Starship's heavy-lift ambitions, offering different solutions for a growing space industry. These approaches highlight different strategies for expanding humanity's reach, one focused on bold leaps, the other on building sustainable foundations. SpaceX builds the vehicles to go far, pushing boundaries with every launch and test. Blue Origin develops the infrastructure for when we get there, laying the groundwork for future settlements and industry. This isn't just a race, it's the birth of a new space economy, attracting investment and inspiring a new generation of explorers. Competition and collaboration between these titans will accelerate innovation, lower costs, and open space to more players than ever before. Together, they're bringing the dream of a vibrant human presence in space closer to reality, turning science fiction into our future.